If you already have thick eyebrows, you need to watch this. So keep on watching, baby. My name is Jeannide, and I got what you need. What's up, everybody? My name is Jeannide, and thanks so much for tuning in. I got what you need when it comes to this eyebrow game, especially if you have, whatchamacallit, long, thick eyebrows already. Long, thick. If you already have thick eyebrows, you do not need ABH, Dip Brow Pomade, because that was created for people who do not have eyebrows, who need to really draw eyebrows on. So if you already had that, if you're already filling your eyebrows all crazy with crayons and stuff, you need to chill, because you don't need to do all that. You're going to come out looking crazy, your eyebrows are going to be too thick, and you don't need that in your life. So forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to do a little, I guess, eyebrow routine, updated eyebrow routine, because honey, in 2018 I was doing the most. And now I'm like, okay, we can't fill in our eyebrows with like brown eye pencil, whatever. I can't do it. Even if it's a light brown, like I can't do it. I end up looking crazy nonetheless. So don't be like me from 2018. Let's have our eyebrows nice. Okay, don't do the most. You don't gotta do the most for nice eyebrows, especially if you have eyebrows. So just chill. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Okay, step 1. Take off my glasses. Step 2. So you need 2 things. So you need a dry, what is this? A dry mascara brush. Something that's super dried out, super old or whatever. You see? You don't really see much because it's dried out. So, and then you need a mascara brush that's wet, new, whatever you want to call it. I'm only going to do a little bit. You see that? Okay. So, anyways, so I'm first getting this one just to brush them out, like really brush them out. So it doesn't have any product on it really, so just really brush it into the, I guess, the shape that you would pretty much desire. I have hair here, nicely here, like on the outer portions of my eyebrows. The inner portions I need a bit of filling in, I guess. So I'm just gonna get the wet mascara brush because it has product, so it's gonna give me some more I guess. Okay, so I'm just gonna lightly do it because this can get ugly real quick. It can go left real quick. Ooh, it went left. Anyways, this one, lightly, see, it looks like I'm drawing more hairs onto this eyebrow, kind of. See, now it looks fuller on this side. Now this, honestly, what I'm going to do, since this doesn't have any product, this isn't empty, just brush and keep brushing it until you don't see that dot no more. If the dot is still there, see, okay, I'm starting to not see the dot anymore. Oh, okay, because it pretty much went into my hairs. So that's good. Because honestly, it's like I'm carrying that extra product and putting it to the tails too. So yeah, this is how I do my eyebrows. Now we're gonna add some highlight. I'm gonna use Fenty since I barely use this highlighter or whatever. This is the Fenty Beauty. It's hard to open with nails on, y'all. Like, okay, because I'm not trying to break it in. So this is the duo. This is the Kilowatt duo. This is Mean Money. This is Hustler Baby. Mean Money, Hustler Baby. I'm just gonna use. Let me use this. Because the other one is like, I hit pan. It's done. It's done. And then, you know, just put this on my eyebrow bone or whatever. Oh my gosh. Just on the eyebrow bone. And on the rest of the places of my face too. I ain't put highlight anywhere yet. So. And we're going to see what these edges look like too. Want to see an edge tutorial? You better click that card up there. Oh, and you know what else? Because I already have my lashes on. You're going to see what I really do. So you don't end up putting on too much mascara. This is what I should have done first. but I already have lashes on. But at the same time, I still need to like put like my lashes together, like blend my lashes, my real lashes with the falsies. I didn't do that yet, so this is honestly what I really do. I do this first, and then I go in like the remainder, I guess, so I don't put too much, and then whatchamacallit, brush my eyebrows with it. So yeah, that's what I was supposed to do. I forgot. But yeah, this is my oldie but goodie Milani. Let me just use that. I'm not satisfied. Like, I need, this always gives me the umph that I need. I love this camera. What's up, shit? To be honest, I'm looking at this mirror and I'm like, kind of like this. It looks, so this is an empty. Just want to brush it because I feel like the outer portion looked too thick. Now I'm satisfied. Yes. So that's the end of my video. I gotta head to Zen out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. Follow me on Instagram at JeanAngelXO. Okay, I'm trying to revamp my page, so you better get into the revamping process. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thanks so much for watching. Deuces.